Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree? We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand. Hashtag market your future.
It all starts here
At the Naga College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
From the hardwood to the sidelines, from the arena to the streets, from the field to the finish line, we're Bicolano Athlete Shine. We will take you right at the center of the action. This is Orangan Sports TV, your front row seat to the region's biggest sports actions and stories. I am Funky Matisinio, and this is Sportify.
Tibay, diksi at determinasyon, yan ang dugong Tigre. The United Collegiate Championship League or UCCL has kicked off Season 9, and as the new season takes off, numerous states, universities, and colleges have participated from different parts of the nation, including Naga College Foundation. On its 9th season, the intense matches of the national athletes from different schools nationwide continue to be eagerly anticipated. Ang tagisan ng Tigers men's basketball team laban sa Westbridge Institute of Technology noong August 16, kung saan naiuwi ng NCF ang kampyonato sa score na 71-64. Itinanghal na best player of the game si jersey number 20 Franco Mase na nakakuha ng 15 points, 2 blocks, 3 rebounds at 4 steals. Sa second game back-to-back, ang panalo ng Tigers men's basketball team laban sa Faith Colleges sa score na 73-60. Itinanghal na best player of the game si William Arenzana na nakakuha ng 14 points, 4 blocks, 5 rebounds at 3 steals.
Yes, before going into the game, my expectation is that we are going to win the game, because before going, we all have we prepared, like we work hard on the basketball court, off the basketball court. Mentally, we prepare very hard for the game. So going into the game, we are not afraid of any opponent. We are ready to take the challenge, and after the game, we will be crowned champions. To the president of the school, Sir Mario Villanueva, and also to the president of the basketball office, Sir JC, Sir Tracy, and to my coaches, Coach Brian Ayo, Coach Dumante, and Coach Sal, and Coach Wawa. I would like to say thank you for always pushing every one of us.
Ang women's basketball team ay di rin nagpahuli, bagaman bigo nilang masungkit ang panalo sa unang game laban sa De La Salle pa sa score na 89-82 noong August 24. Ginawa nila itong inspirasyon para bumawi sa pangalawang game sa score na 84-50. Nagtapos ang laban sa pagitan ng NCF at Faith Colleges kung saan itinanghal na best player si Patricia Jane Balfermoso na merong 24 points, 8 rebounds at 5 steals.
After we lost our first game, balik kaming hotel. We active rest kasi afternoon may susunod pa na laban, and kinalimutan na namin yung first game namin, and sabi namin sa sarili namin babawi kami sa second game. Yung challenge talaga po is yung kaba, pressure, kailangan po namin labanan, pero sabi nga ni Coach, stay focused sa laro, every possession, and dapat ready palagi. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan, especially si Sir Mario, Sir Joel, and sa marketing department, and sa coaches na palagi nagtitiwala po sa amin, and sa driver po namin, yung papuntang Batangas na hindi po nagsasawa sa maghatid sundo sa amin. Thank you po. And sa family ko po, sa support system niyo po, thank you po sa Balfermoso family.
Experience ko po sa UCCL is grabe po yung pressure and excitement na naramdaman ko kasi bukod po sa National PSAA, ito po yung first ever big league na nalaruan ko.
Ayon kay Coach Joshua Ayo, NCF Women's Assistant Coach, bigo man na masungkit ng kanilang team ang panalo sa unang game, hindi ito naging hadlang para bumawi sa second game.
After game 1, natalo kami. So, umuwi kaming hotel, nag-usap-usap kami. Sabi ko, hayaan nyo na yung game 1 kasi nangyari na, hindi na namin yung mababago. So, nag-huddle kami, nag-usap-usap kami ng game plan namin sa team, kung paano makarecover and paano manalo sa game 2. Yun, nag-usap kami na kailangan mas gutom kayo manalo kasi di pwede kaming umuwi ng 0-2 eh. Yun yung parang pressure sa amin na kailangan at least 1, panalo kami. So ginawa namin, huddle kami, tapos pinag-usapan yung mga games, yung mga pagkukulang namin sa game 1, yung mga mali namin. Tinama namin sa meeting namin pakauwi ng hotel. Unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat kay Sir Mario Villanueva. Pangalawa, sa boss namin sa marketing na si Sir Joel Villanueva. And sa lahat naman nagsusuporta sa NCF Lady Tigers. Yun lang po. Abangan niyo po kami sa mga susunod na laro. Maraming salamat po.
Definitely, abangan niyo kami. We will bounce back sa Bukal. And sa UCCL naman, we will keep working hard para mabigay namin yung panalo sa NCF team, sa NCF community, and para kay Sir Mario and sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa NCF Tigers basketball team.
As of August 26, ang team standing ng men's basketball ay 2 wins, 0 loss at 1 win and 1 loss naman sa women's basketball team.
Victory is not easily attained, but the Tigers basketball team once again proved that NCF is truly the home of champions. I'm Kenneth Dalmundo, Sportify.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
All rugged champions, rise, rise, sported by the fire. fire in your eyes. Keep pushing limits.
Sunod-sunod ang naging panalo ng Naga College Foundation SEPAK TAKRAW team matapos mamayagpag sa dalawang magkakasunod na kompetisyon ngayong Agosto. Sa nakaraang hataw pasakaw kontra droga SEPAK TAKRAW Tournament, itinanghal na kampyon ang senior team ng NCF. Naghari rin at pinangalan ng kampyon sa katatapos lamang na sipokot linggo ng Kabataan Sports Festival 2025. Ayon kay Coach 𝗨𝗧𝗏𝗧, hindi man naging madali ang pinagdaanan ng team mula sa adjustments ng mga players at sa matinding training sessions. Teamwork umano ang isa sa pinaka naging susi at pundasyon ng kanilang panalo.
Mahirap. Actually, mahirap yung journey because kasi simula pa lang ng college natin. So meaning to say, hindi pa kami fully prepared for whatever competitions na dadating sa amin. So we are just testing the waters. Since may mga bagong players tayo nakasama sa team. So we have to ensure na these athletes will be able to gel off with the current players na mayroon tayo ngayon. Yun yung assurance namin na nasa maayos na kondisyon yung mga bata before they compete.
Ang player na si Lester Bravo, ibinahagi naman ang kanyang naging experience sa mga sinalihang laban.
Hindi ko po malilimutan sa part na yun, yung unang pagpasok ko sa court kasi doon po yung parang nasa akin agad yung pressure dahil yung isa kong kapalitan bilang speaker ay isa sa pinakamagaling speaker ko sa akin. Pagpasok ko sa game, inisip ko paano kaya handle yung pressure kasi kailangan ma-maintain ko yung winning point namin para hindi na mahirapan yung pinakamalaking speaker namin. Nag-focus lang po ako sa game para di ako ma-distract sa kahit na namang sabihin yung kalaban o nasa labas ng court. Focus lang po para mawala rin sa isip yung pressure. Dahil parang nalang ang pressure sa isip ko. May parents po, tapos syempre si coach kasi siya yung nagpo-provide ng mga kailangan namin sa training, tapos needs namin sa apartment.
Kasunod ng mga panalo, may panibagong pinaghahandaan ng kupunan ang kanilang pagsabak sa nalalapit na Batang Pinoy 2025 sa Oktubre na gaganapin sa General Santos City. Dito, muling masusubok ang kanilang galing at talas sa laban.
Definitely, natapos na namin yung mga documentations para sa Batang Pinoy players natin. And now, we are preparing them para sa competition nila comes October. So we only have 1 month and ilang days na lang before the actual competition. So puspusan na ang training ng ating mga atleta.
Ang bawat kompetisyon ay panibagong pagkakataon at ang bawat pagkakataon ay hindi pinalalagpas. Sa bawat pagsalang ng NCF SEPAK TAKRAW Teams Torneo, iisa ang kanilang mithiin, manalo at mag-uwi ng karangalan. 𝗕𝗏𝗔𝗏𝗏, Sportify.
Tanga ta diri ko nababay na GNN TV48 Naga.
Kalma! Lumipat lang ang GNN TV48 Naga sa channel 48.1.
What?
Direk, ang simple lang ng solusyon dyan. Kunin ang remote, pumunta sa menu Setup o Settings, at hanapin at pindutin ang scan at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa channel 48 mo. Para sa mga balitang nanguna at napapanahon,
at sa mga programang swak sa panlasa mo.
Tutok lang sa GNN TV48 Naga, Bida ang Bicolano.